boy, Mick. Come get the stick, Mickey.
Good boy, Mick. Good boy, little Mick. Freaking water dog. Hey, Ollie. Hi, Ollie. Hey, check, check. Check, check.
Come on.
Hey, little mister.
They're having fun.
No, man, you gotta heave that thing out there, man.
To where he has to swim.
Come on, boy. Come on.
I want to see him swim.
He's getting lazier by the minute.
He's like, come on, what's up with that?
Come on. Did he get it? Did he go get it? Come on. Make me. Look.
There you go. That's where you throw it. Then he has to swim. There, good boy. Look at his tail going. Good boy, Mickers. Come on, little Mick. Come on.
He freaking loves it. Can you believe this?
Bring my purse, please.
He'll go out there as many times as you throw it.
It's amazing. Good boy. Now, Mick, he's a good boy.
Oliver won't do it. He takes it from him when he comes in. Look.
It's in the cup
Yes,
holder thingy.
Go get that for me, would you? Good boy,
Put up
Mickey.
the price you
You're
got,
such a
getting in
good
the
boy.
action.
Yes, you are. You're a good boy.
God bless you.
Heave it out there for me one more time, babe.
Give me the stick. Give me the ball. Come on. Here we go, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on,
Get
everybody.
Mick.
Come on. Hey,
Heave it out there far.
talking to you two. Come on, everybody, gang, go.
Oh, man. That's pussy. Heave that sucker out there.
I'm gonna run to the bathroom, so don't leave.
All right, sweetheart.
Come on, sweetheart. Come on, sweetheart. Good boy.
Yeah, you're doing good, Mick. That's amazing. Okay.
One more time. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Go get it.
Good
Go
boy.
get
He
He
does.
loves it.
Oh my God.
I know. He loves it.
Little torpedo dog. Good
Come
boy,
on,
Mick.
man.
You're awesome, Mickey.
Look at him dutifully.
He's got the hands for it. My little hand model. Good boy, Mickey. You're such a good
He's going
boy.
to get a fried pork skin for that. Come here. Come here, little pork dog. Come here, little man. I got you a treat. Come here, sweetheart.
Good boy.